You know, sometimes I wonder if we spend too much of our lives, we spend almost all of it doing that. Exactly. We raise children, build careers, and somehow forget to ask ourselves what we actually want. Maybe that's why I'm finally learning to say no. Really? The woman who never says no to anyone? It's a new chapter. And what does it look like? Peace, travel, and no drama. We should have learned that years ago. To new beginnings, to choosing ourselves.
You can now create long form cinematic AI videos lasting up to 30 seconds without having to generate a new clip every second. We all know the longest scene or the longest duration for our movies is 10 seconds. Right now, you can now generate 30 seconds long form videos using this app. What you watched earlier, I generated it and it is a long 30 seconds movie. In this video, I will show you exactly how to use this app to create a longer movie scenes with dialogue and multiple camera angles. The sweet part of it is the app in question, you are using it on your daily activities. As a content creator, you use this app every day. And right now, they now added a 30 seconds long movie generation for free. Let's dive into it. Let me show you how to do that. Immediately you get to your CapCut. Yes, it is CapCut used in your editing of video that allows you to generate 30 seconds videos free. Now, make sure you click on AI Lab. Head to AI Lab right here. All right, you can go for video, but our interest right now is us being able to generate 30 seconds video. So go to Seedance. All right, don't click on Seedance. It comes out this way. All right, now you click on Seedance. You see other Seedance tools, AI generators you can use. And you can see 30 seconds long form duration. Click on it. Make sure you click on 30 seconds. Okay. Now, once you click on it, go for the aspect ratio. You can see the resolution is 720p. You can go for 480, but we'll be going with 720p. All right. Now, I will you go for 16 by 9. Now, these are the settings you need to put in place. These are the settings. Then scroll, just leave it at Seedance 2.05, 2.5. Okay, now another thing is our image. Let's go for image to video. All right, you can just paste your prompt and generate, but I'm going for image to video. So I'll click on plus, bring in the image. All right, then I'll head back to ChatGPT. This is a 30-minute long form videos. Your video prompt, the dialogue needs to be long. Now, if you watch my first video at the beginning, the dialogue is what made it up to 30 seconds video generation. Okay, so your dialogue should be long. So I've head back to ChatGPT. I copied it, head back to CapCut. Okay, pasted it. Now feel free to go through your dialogue. It is very, very important you go through your dialogue. All right, go through it. Then once you're done, you send and it has started generating. First, you can see it analyzed my video to a 30 seconds video. Okay, that is what it does. It will analyze it, then it will start going through your prompt. All right, now you have to wait because you will be asked some question before you confirm the generation. You need to confirm the generation. Okay, so you continue. All right, you continue, and once it pops up, it will be popping up asking you if you're okay with the analysis. You click on confirm and it will start generating. So you have to give it a, now you can see it has popped up. Just click on confirm and start generating, or it will start generating your video. It's as simple as ABCD. That CapCut you use in editing your video, yes, you can use it to create 30-minute long form videos, and with the same credit you subscribe for CapCut, They have free package which allows only one generation, but if you're like me that use CapCut in your editing, definitely you paid for it. So you go ahead, it has generated, you go ahead and download it. Okay, you can see I'm exporting the video. Go ahead and export it and save it, and that is it.